Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to another tutorial. We are going to be creating this lovely little card. Sometimes we need just a quick card and all I've done is used a couple of colours, a couple of stamps on watercolour card, and as you can see we've used our lovely little cat Luka. I'm going to use one of our corner stamps. It's so easy to create nice foliage in the corner without too much fuss. So let's pop that down. Like so. Look at the detail in that. It's just an instant corner. You've got your depth there. All you need to do is just brush a little bit of colour over the top and it's done. So I am now going to ink up the mushrooms. So I am going to ink up in the Bally Blue. Those down. And now I'm going to go in with Lime Punch. Just get some of that gorgeous colour over the top. It just softens the whole thing instantly, doesn't it? Just that bit of colour. And then we're going in with some blue Atoll. This just gives us a little bit of depth. And now we're ready to stamp Luka. Let's pop him onto there and we'll ink up in the Nocturne. Make sure he's completely covered, and then we're going to sit him round about there, giving him a good press. And then we're going to take our tall toadstools and let's just pop on there. And pop the other one. I think I'm going to do it there actually. Perfect little gap just there. I mean, that is basically it. I'm going to add a little bit more to it, but just to show you how quick, how easy that card is to produce. So I am going to ink up some words here. We've got memories. I'm going to ink up in the twilight, and I'm going to pop that there, and let's colour in a couple of the mushrooms. If you want to use a different colour, that's absolutely fine. Be great to see this same technique in a different colour. So I am going to use the Posca pen, that was it. So I'm going to just dot a few little orbs around our lovely Luka. They're quite nice, just sort of finishing touches really, just add a little something, don't they? Bringing another bit of colour in, and white Posca, there we go. And the white really does make those orbs stand out. And then lastly, I'll just use a little bit of glitter. I'm just dragging this up the card in the same direction as the toadstools. Oh, one last thing. I'm just going to use the Posca pen. I'm just going to follow that line, just to make those stems jump out, and maybe the edge of the toadstools. And there we go, and that's it. How quick and easy was that? So we've got the same technique really. All I've done there is use the corner stamp, and you can see the difference. So thank you so much again for joining me. I hope it's inspired you to have a go yourselves. Thanks so much guys, you take care, and bye for now.